Hey, we're here with Jenni. She is representative of Utah. What can you tell us about your destination?
Yep, so I'm Jenni. I work for Utah Office of Tourism here in the UK and Ireland. Utah is a state in the west of the USA. We are known for our mighty 5 national parks in the south of the state, and that's our red rock country. And then northern Utah is the southern end of the Rocky Mountains. So you have some amazing alpine landscapes, lots of adventurous activities to do across the state. So there's lots of walking and hiking opportunities. You can go on some really great mountain bike trails, road cycling. We've got water-based activities, and then there's some great hikes that you can go through slot canyons. And if you just want to hire a car, hit the road and see our amazing national parks and scenery that way round, then of course you can do that as well.
Wow, and how does Utah differ to other states?
I think the thing that really differentiates it from other states is the scenery. It's some of the most amazing landscapes that you've seen anywhere in the world, or you can see anywhere in the world. So I mentioned the national parks, and there are 5, and each has a different personality. So you've got Arches National Park, which has got more than 2,000 naturally formed arches. They're all different shapes and sizes. Then you've got Canyonlands, kind of similar to the Grand Canyon. Zion National Park is a long slot canyon with towering sandstone walls, and then we have Bryce Canyon National Park, nearly thought that one, which is a big amphitheater, and you don't see anything until you're right on the rim of that amphitheater and you look down into it and you see all these different rock formations within it. And then our final national park is Capitol Reef National Park, which is kind of a mismatch of all of them, but with some pioneer heritage and Native American history thrown in to go with it as well.
Wow. So you're getting a lot of experiences there in Utah. And, you know, a lot of our audience are interested in filming, drone. I imagine you have amazing offerings for that by the sounds of it.
You really do. One thing to know is that you can't film within the national parks, but Utah has had so many of the old Western films that have been shot in Utah because of those landscapes, and Hollywood continues to film movies right up to this day. So if Hollywood films in Utah, you know it's going to be good.
It's definitely a unique place, isn't it?
Yep.
It's got
Absolutely.
something else that you don't experience anywhere else.
Yeah.
And thank you for giving us that insight into Utah.
You're welcome.